Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Wyndham Garden, Miami International Airport. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right, let's get it started. So, this is the evacuation point, okay? This is the door, very modern. I like this door stop here. See that? And your Wyndham door tag. Okay. Now, let's start with the restroom. Oh, I'm supposed to insert the card here. Wyndham Garden. Okay. Toilet, nice and spacious. I like the backsplash. It seems like wood, but it's not. I like the patterns, and then you have the regular white tiles. Okay. Your toilet bowl. 2 toilet tissue. And your bin. Okay. So this toilet bowl separates from the shower. Let me turn off the lights. In between the shower and the toilet, we have a nice mirror. Okay, with nice lighting. I like that. Square mirror, decent size. Peace. So, we have adequate tissue. They're trying to make it look like a flower here. Nice touch. Okay. Nice design on the sink. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know how to open that though. Oh, there you go. Just push down right there. Push down. All right, so let's get to the complimentary goat milk face and body bar by Beekman. Beekman, cut me that check, all right? And then we have a body wash, liquid body wash. And we have a complimentary lotion. Perfect. Minimal, very minimal. I like that. You have plug right there. All right, now, perfect. You have washcloth and hand towel. That's when you know the hotel is doing it right, you know? And ample towels. Perfect. More wash rag. Now let's move on to the shower. As you know how I like my standalone shower. This is a nice touch. All right. Clean, as you observe, very clean. All right. No mildew stains. That's good. No mildew stains. no mildew smell. Nice, decent sized shower head. And you have the portable shower head as well. Very modern, nice touch. Then we have complimentary, more goat milk cleansing bar. Okay, fresh air. All right, next is conditioner. And then I'm assuming this is shampoo, and I was right. Okay. Nice touch. Right, now, standalone shower, ample lighting, clean, simple. I don't know what's that for. Maybe you put a big jug of shampoo for those who have a lot of hair, maybe. Okay. And your shower rag. Hook. You always need towel hooks. Okay, now behind me, we have a decent sized closet. Plenty of hangers, right? And decent size, and that's my bag. If you watch my other video, I did a product review on this suit garment bag. Check it out. Okay. Ample. Drawer space. Is it soft close? Let's find out. It is soft close. We have a nice full-size mirror. Garbage bin. Page. All right, to my right, we have coffee. Complimentary. I don't know if this is complimentary, but this is 1 cup brew pod. Decaffeinated coffee. And you have your regular coffee. Plenty of coffee mate and your utensils. Yep. Stirrers and sugar. There it is. Okay, and here's your coffee maker. Boom. You put that thing in there, boom. And all good. Now, there's water. I don't know if it's complimentary, but I never touch it. Your ice bucket. Oh, this is a safe. That's cool. Soft close. And it is a soft close. Ample drawer space. All right, so now on to the other side. All right, so you have a lamp here. Let me see. All right, look at that. Nice touch. You have, if I'm not mistaken, smoke detector up there, sprinkler up here for safety, which is good. All right. Let's go to the entertainment section. Decent size TV. Okay, and on the bottom you have a small refrigerator. Okay, you know, I bought that. It's not complimentary. I actually went to the dollar store. When you travel, you gotta get smart, you know? Buy a big bottle from Dollar Tree. It's about what? Dollar Tree. $1.25. All right, so back to the entertainment. And I guess this is for whatever you want to put in there. You know, I got my Coach bag. I did a product review on this Coach bag, and so far everything is good. It's been useful. I put everything in here: my wallet, my comb, my passport, my ID, my charger, my earbuds, pretty much everything. And it takes care of it. It's pretty small, decent size, not too big. So check it out. Check out the video. All right. You have more garbage bin. You have a phone, a lamp, okay, table, okay, and your chair. Let's see. Is it comfortable? Pretty comfortable. Pretty comfortable. Okay. I can hear people screaming. Let's see if we have decent view. Not really, but it's all good. Oh, the pool. You can see a little bit. Okay, now next you have your, in the Philippines you call this a split type air conditioner or split type AC. Okay, automatic, modern. It looks new, clean. On to the bed, we have 2 queen size beds. All right. And you have ample space, alarm clock with charging ports, USB charging ports, and a plug. Okay, which is good. That's good. All right. So you have 2 night light, which is good, or 2 night lamp. And your other queen size bed. So I rented a parking spot and they gave me this to put on my dashboard. All right. So here's the other queen size bed, and that's how it looks. Okay, so the floor is laminated, which is good. All right, let's test it out. Let's test it out if it's comfortable, if you're gonna fall asleep on it. Okay, it's decent. Soft. You have pillows. Okay, pretty soft. Smells clean, fresh. Okay, like it's been washed. That's good. Oh, and also I want to point it out that the lamp also have USB ports and plug-in ports. Okay, so each bed have 4 pillows, and I like this light here behind this bed, or this headboard rather. It's pretty good. My final thoughts. Let's talk about the check-in process. So this is the second time I checked in. The first time I arrived in the hotel around 1:15, you could say that 1:15, 1:20. I didn't know that the check-in were supposed to be 4 p.m. Okay. Now, the receptionist informed me that the room is ready and available, but I had to wait to check in at 4 p.m. If I decided to check in at that particular moment around 1:22, there would be a $50 charge. Okay, I understand. It's granted I was early, 3 hours early, but the room were ready. It was ready. She said it was ready, right? But what's up with the $50 charge? That I don't get. Maybe it's for business purposes. Now, when she told me there were a $50 fee to check in early, I'm not trying to hate, right? I'm not hating at all, but I never heard that before where they charge you $50 just for you to step in your room that's already ready and prepared. And it's only about what, 3 hours early for $50. Look, I understand maybe it doesn't make sense to me. Maybe it makes sense in a business sense. It makes business sense for the hotel. Every hotel has its policy. I get it, but I'm gonna think twice about this particular location since they trying to charge you $50 for an early check-in. That's all. Okay. Overall, the hotel is clean. Okay. Um, the staff were professional. I asked a few questions. They answered all my questions in a professional manner. No attitude. They carried themselves professionally. They looked professional because there was, I think he was a supervisor or manager. He had on a blazer, which is good. It's presentable. And there was another lady who were, have business casual as well, which is good. So they both answered my questions concerning uh, if there's any free complimentary breakfast. In this particular hotel, there's no complimentary breakfast, okay? But in reference to the hotel, everything is good, everything is clean, no mildew smell, everything looks modern. Um, the bed feels comfortable, and what else can I say? I have no complaints. So if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.